Это для ремонта велосипедов. Может, ну, тут насос явно есть. Тут, смотрите, какие-то...
Только для велосипедов.
Ну, если там что-то, видите, если вы можете там что-то прикрутить.
О, хорошо, как смотри.
Да.
Но машина не может, только...
Ну, машину тоже можно, наверное. Вот там насос, и надо рукой качать.
Коляски, велосипеды. И потом эти коляски, которые возят.
Да.
А машина здесь не нарисована.
Ну, я думаю, машин вы там много будете просто, как называется, качать
Да,
слишком.
да. Здесь машина не нарисована.
Да, велосипеды.
Хорошо, очень даже.
Да.
Nagu see ja see vaata on seal uued ja teine oli ainult vaata see oranž asi, siin need raatahoiuasjad ja seal pink ja see.
Ja, vaata. Вот такие pumpad. So in today's Postimees there was an insert of maaelu. This is in English it's called life in the countryside. And interesting fact for all the drivers that 15 large animals get into accidents like wild animals in Estonian roads. So beware when you're driving in Estonia. There are a lot of forests and the roads are crossing the paths of the animals. So you have to watch not only the other cars but a little bit to the right and to the left to see if any animals wouldn't cross your road. So especially you have to be careful during the dark hours or when it's getting dark. So one more interesting article, Estonian startup Woola is going to make a packaging from wool, sheep wool, and it seems that like tons of wool otherwise goes to the waste bin. So let me check how much. 153 tons of wool is going to waste in Estonia. So this startup Woola, we'll put a link somewhere, that they will be making packaging for the transportation of goods, not paper but wool. Very interesting startup. Two Estonian musicians made an album together in both languages, Estonian and Russian. Typical Flow, which is the name of the band Oleg Glavatsky is rapping, and Tommy Boy, aka Thomas Tilk, made an album in two languages, Estonian and Russian, which is very good and kind of new. It's the first album in two languages, Estonian and Russian. So, nice news. So, hi. Do you see this pedestrian street? So, it was cleaned all the way from that building to this side, and in front of this building it's not cleaned. And that is a thing which I think is quite stupid. Because in Estonia there is a law that the owner of the building has to clean the pedestrian street in front of the building. the building has to clean the pedestrian street in front of the building. So all the other owners cleaned it, and he did not. But I think it's quite stupid or not effective, because everybody has to have some deal with somebody who cleans it every day. So it's much more expensive than if it was agreed or ordered by the city. So that is what I wanted to tell, that there are some problems, but you see, not cleaned, not cleaned. So that's what I wanted to tell you. Moving on. So these refractors, you see, there are a lot of different types, and these are mandatory in Estonia. So if you're living in Estonia, you have to have this kind of refractor. It's for safety reasons too, because it's quite dark. The cars will not notice you in time. So save your life, use this kind of different refractors. You see, we are now in Prisma, in Christina shopping center, and there are a lot of different types and makes of refractors.